Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications and reminders on the Zombie Hoard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the first section at the top, notifications, and here you can see that you have a bunch of notifications that you can turn on, such as announcements, events, free crate and free gold, rates completed, full energy, full scale points, daily task login reward, midnight, and free spin. If you want to turn on any of these, tap on the button next to it, and then you should allow the application to have access to your notifications. So first you should go to your phone's settings, then go to notifications and enable the notifications. So enable the app to have access to your notifications, thereby being able to turn on these functions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.